Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I am cleaning a room that you're probably thinking like, where is that? That is our guest bedroom in the basement. And when we went into quarantine, we turned it into my husband's tiny office. We kept the bed in there and we squeezed in his desk, so it's quite tight in there, but we had to make it work. So I'm starting off with taking off the sheets off of the bed because I needed to clean them. My brothers had stayed with us, so they had slept in it. Side note, I am so sorry for the blurriness. I get into filming and I don't really check on the camera to see if everything is going okay. So I only get to see the blurry features or scenes after I have filmed and I'm editing, and then I'm like, oh darn, I can't redo that. So anyways, my apologies for that. There was a lot of dust in the bedroom, period. Like, the bed was covered in dust and it was so thick. So instead of just using a microfiber cloth, I ended up using my all-purpose cleaner as well. So I had to clean it and just make it shiny again. And here I'm just going over the window as well and wiping it down. It wasn't so dirty, but you could definitely see some dust particles on there. So I went ahead and I cleaned that, and I also wiped down the blinds. And because it's in our guest bedroom, I don't really go in there too often. So I definitely needed to do a deep cleaning on here. So as you can see, we squeezed in my husband's desk right in the closet actually. And that's because we had planned to redo the closet and we could not decide what we were going to do, what kind of doors we were going to put on there. So I just told him, like, let's leave it open until we are sure of what we're going to do. And thank God we didn't get to it right away, because once he started working from home, he needed some privacy. So this was a perfect room for him, and he needed his desk to put on all his work stuff. So that's what I'm organizing here. The desk, we were just so lucky that it fit in there perfectly. So because it is black, he also collected a lot of dust. So I was doing, majority of the cleaning was pretty much dusting this place.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back.
So I needed to move things around because I have a bookcase that I had to bring from my room to down here. So I was just moving the nightstand around. It was right at the foot of the bed. So I wanted to put it in this little corner here. A while ago, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did paint that nightstand. I got it from the Humane Society, and it was so cute, but I wanted to redo it and paint it. And I've been quite impressed at myself at how good I've become at flipping things and turning them pretty again. So anyways, after all the dusting and the wiping down, I wanted to go ahead and mop the floors, and I just used my Swiffer wet jet.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
So it was later on during the day. I had to wait for the sheets and the cover to dry. So here it's a little bit at nighttime. That's why it looks a bit darker. So yeah, I was ready to make the bed and make it pretty again. But I had to wait until my children went to bed, unfortunately, to finish up this video. So that's why I look a little different. My hair is different too, but I'm still wearing the same clothes. That little high bun was just giving me a migraine, so I had to take it off.
So much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love.
After I had brought down the bookcase, I wanted to go ahead and display my stuff in there. Now, you seeing me take things out of the box, that is some stuff that I'm selling, and I'm a consultant for Scentsy, and I will go more into details about Scentsy in my next video that will be coming out on Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. And yeah, I'm gonna go more into details about it. I'm gonna talk about the project, and I'm also gonna talk about the update and the changes that will be coming to my channel.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before.
So to end the video, I wanted to leave you guys with this quote here. I know you guys can see it coming. Good things come to those who hustle. And I believe that because I've worked so hard on my channel. I've worked so hard at everything in life, as most of you guys have in your own personal lives. You know, we just hustle in life and good things will come to us, and we just can't give up. So that's my encouragement for you guys. I hope that whatever dream you have, whatever project you have you're working on, don't give up. Keep hustling, because the end product is gonna be amazing. And you know, you put hard work into it. You know how hard you work. You know yourself. So just believe that good things come to those who hustle. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, you guys. This is how the bookcase came out. It's not done the way I wanted to. I plan on organizing it better. I just gotta purchase a few organizing bins, and then I will work on it a little bit more. I want to label things as well so I know where things go. and be able to display all my products for you guys. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for sticking out around with me and going on this crazy ride with me on my channel. You guys, every day when I see a new subscriber, I praise God for you, because you guys are it. You guys are my family. You guys help me to grow. You push me to keep working harder, and I truly appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.